Subject Maths Standard 2nd. Hello everyone, I am Nilofer. Today we will learn a new topic. But before I start my topic, first see this conversation. First we will see the conversation of shopkeeper and the boy. First, the shopkeeper say, "What do you want?" Then boy say, "I want a toy, please." Then shopkeeper said, "There are two toys, green and red. Which one you want?" Then boy said, "I want green toy. How much is it?" Then shopkeeper said, "It's for rupees only 20. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that the topic name is word problems. All of you already seen that conversation with the shopkeeper and the boy. Now we will see the how can we will solve the word problem with the help of different examples. Here some kites are there. Just we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kites are there. How many kites? 5. Then after that, the one kite is fly. And the another kite also fly away. Now how many remaining? Let's see. 1, 2, 3 kites. Now student, see this girl. This girl's two hands a apple. One, how many apple is there? 1 and 2. And she eat one apple. Now how many remaining? Yes, 1. Very good. We all already learned this kite. First, how many kites are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, how many take away? 2. Then, how many remaining? Tell me. Yes, 3. 1, 2, and 3. And another example we will learn. Here, one girl is there. And how many apple with hand this girl? 1 and 2. Now tell me, how many apples she ate? Yes, 1. Then how many remaining? 1. Then all of you see these two examples and tell me which type of these examples. Yes, this all the both examples is related with the subtraction. So we will see the subtraction word problems with the help of different examples. Follow the steps. Step to solve a maths word problem. First step, read the problem 2 times. First, which problem is given? We all are read that problem 2 times. Then highlight the question. Which question is given? First, we all are highlight that. And the circle keywords and information. Then after that, we will circle that the which word is given and information is given. Then the draw a picture, and after that choose which option to use, addition or subtraction. Then after that write a maths equation like that. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and then solve. First, I will read this problem. All of you listen carefully. I see 6 rabbits and 3 rabbits hop away. How many rabbits are left? Here, how many rabbits are there? Total 6 rabbits. And how many rabbits away? 3 rabbits. Then here left comes, means this is a subtraction. Now first I will see the how many rabbits are there total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 rabbits. And then after that 3 hop away. 1, 2 and 3. Then how many remaining? Let's see with the help of written form. 6 minus 3, 6 rabbits, then 3 rabbits, then equal to how many rabbits are there? Just count. 1, 2 and 3. Now 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 rabbits. Let's see here. First, we will read this problem. I pick 9 brinjals. How many brinjals? 9. Then I eat 2 of them. Then tell me how many brinjals are left. One more time we will read. I pick 9 brinjals. I eat 2 of them. Then how many brinjals are left? Let's see. First, how many brinjals are there? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 2 brinjals I eat. Then take away 2. 1 and 2. Then how many remaining? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are left. Then how can we write? 9 subtract 2 is equal to 7. 9 brinjals. Then subtract 2 brinjals. Then how many remaining? Left 7 brinjals. Now see the another example. First, read this word problem. There are 8 mosquitoes and the 3 mosquitoes are fly away. Now what is it? 8 minus 3. Now let's see. First, how many mosquitoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 3. Then how many take away or a fly away? 1, 2, 3. Then how many remaining? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's see this example with the help of vertical form. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Means 8 mosquitoes, then subtract 3 mosquitoes, then equal to 5 mosquitoes. First read this problem. A shopkeeper had 5 candles. He sold 3 candles. How many candles are left? Let's see. First, there are how many candles? 5. Yes, see here, 5 candle is there. Then he sold 3 candles. How many candle he sold? 3. Then how many candles are left? 2. Yes, very good. Now let's see the vertical form. 5 subtract 3 is equal to 2. Now means 5 candles subtract 3 candles, then equal to 2 candles. Khushi has 7 sweets. She ate 4 sweets. How many sweets does she has? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 4 sweets she ate. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then how many remaining? Let's count. 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 are remaining. Let's see this sum in vertical form. 7 subtract 4 is equal to 3. Means 7 sweets. Then subtract 4 sweets equal to 3 sweets. Robin has 8 grapes. A crow comes and ate 4 grapes. How many grapes does he have now? Let's see. First, Robin has how many grapes? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then a crow come and ate how many grapes? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now see the vertical form. 8 subtract 4 is equal to 4. Means 8 grapes, then subtract 4 grapes, then equal to 4 grapes. Now let's read a next problem. Jaya has 9 bananas. She gives 7 bananas to her friend. How many bananas does Jaya have? Let's see. One more time we'll read. Jaya has how many bananas? 9 bananas. Yes. Then she gives how many bananas to her friend? 7. Then how many bananas does have Jaya left? Let's see. First 9 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then Jaya give to her friend 7 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then how many bananas does Jaya have? 1 and 2 only. Let's see the vertical form. 9 subtract 7 is equal to 2. Means 9 bananas, then subtract 7 bananas equal to 2 bananas. So student, I hope all of you enjoy and learn word problem with the help of different examples. There are more words show subtraction. First, left with. Second, take away. Third, less than. Fourth, minus. Now, evaluation time. Let's see. There are 7 teddy bears in a shop. Let's see. How many teddy bears? 7. Then, one teddy bear gets sold. Now, what is a 7 minus 1? First, how many teddy bears are there?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then, how many get sold? 1. Now, 7 subtract 1 is equal to 6. Means 7 teddy bears, then subtract 1 teddy bear, then come 6 teddy bear. There are 9 birds on a tree. Then 3 birds fly away. How many birds are left? Let's see. There are how many birds? 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then how many birds fly away?
3.
1, 2 and 3. Now tell me how many birds are left? Tell me.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now we will see the vertical form of this sum. 9 subtract 3 is equal to 6. Yes, very good. Means 9 birds, then subtract 3 birds equal to 6 birds. Tina has 5 candies. How many candies Tina has? 5. She gave 4 of them to Rosie. How many candies she gave to Rosie? 4. Yes, very good. Now student, how many candies are left with Tina? Tell me. First, how many candies are there? 5. Let's see. 5 candies are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I write down here 5. Then how many gave to Rosie? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many candies are left with Tina? Only 1. Only 1 candies are left with Tina. Yes, very good student. Problem. Ruhan has 8 playing cards. He given 4 to his brother. How many cards are left? Let's see. Ruhan has how many playing cards? 8. Yes, very good. Now, he is given to his brother how many cards? 4. Then, how many cards are left? Just see. First, 8 playing card is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then he given 4 to his brother. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then see in how many remaining? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 cards are left. Let's see the vertical form. 8 subtract 4 is equal to 4. Means 8 cards, then subtract 4 cards is equal to 4 cards. Now see here, there are 7 cows and 2 cows are brown. How many cows are not brown? Let's see. Here, how many cows are there? First count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. But these 2 cows are brown. 1 and 2. Then how many remaining? How many? The cows are not brown. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's see. 7 subtract 2 is equal to 5. Means 7 cows are there and 2 cows brown. Then how many cows are not brown? 5. Yes, very good. Now homework time. Andy had 5 cupcakes. 2 cupcakes were eaten at his birthday party. How many cupcakes are left? Students, this problem all of you write down in your maths notebook and draw 5 cupcakes and how many cupcakes are left. All of you do this sum in your maths notebook. Word problem. First, Mary has 6 cherries. She eats 2 of them. How many cherries are left? All of you solve this problem in your maths notebook. Thank you.